everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and I'm here to khuluma nge-Genesis. Well guys, it's season finale today. It's the last episode of Genesis, and guys, we were hoping for the happy ending. Especially after Ubongo proposile ngo-2, they were supposed to go and get married. But something happened, guys. Umpumi ufune revenge ku Gabriel, and guys, angimsolo Gabriel have just done a lot. Umthathele maculo akhe wathi akakhuluma ukuthi amaculo belongs to uGabriel, yena akakwazi ukubhala all that. So guys, umphushile to the limit uGabriel ephusha ke umpumi. So umpumi uthola isibhamu sika Gabriel kwisafe wahamba naso ufuna uGabriel la, and umthola nje they are ready to go to home affairs kuyoshada uMaroon. And guys, umpumi umdubulile uGabriel, but they didn't show ukuthi ke uMaroon akadubulekanga yini, because uMaroon was just after uGabriel. And whenever you check her, or when you check Matthias's ayo ke series finale, the last episode, it's uFelicia finally accept uMaroon. Egcineni guys, uFelicia acceptile uMaroon, but the universe has other plans. So that part just shows ukuthi it's not about Gabriel, but it's about uMaroon. So if they say the universe has other plans, I believe ukuthi umpumi ngemistake umdubulile uMaroon, or inhlamvu isukile kuGabriel yadlulela kuMaroon. I'm not sure ukuthi uyibukile in episode ezolo, but if you did, please do comment ukuthi ucabanga nje ngicabanga ngayo yini, noma ucabanga ukuthi umuntu oshonile kuphela uGabriel. Asazi noma ushonile guys uGabriel, because udubuleke esiswini, so it was not like enhlizweni, but udubuleke esiswini. Kodwa ngemuva there was uMaroon noma wakhe, and uMaroon ubeqondene exactly no Gabriel of ukwenza ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba kuthiwa nje uFelicia ugcine emamukele uMaroon, kodwa the universe has other plans. I think uMaroon guys ushonile. And udutshule usisi wakhe. This was a very bad ending. Guys, because we were hoping for a happily ever after Bongo kanye ke no Maroon, but it's not gonna happen. Abanye they are wishing ukuthi ke kungenzeka ke kube khona season 2. I don't know guys, maybe kungenzeka, I don't know when. Kodwa for now yaphela iGenesis, akuna plan for season 2, akaze bashuthe, akaze benze lutho. So we are just waiting for a new story, sibone ukuthi ke sona sizosithatha ke sisibeke kuphi. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.